Hey guys, welcome to math. We're moving on to volume of rectangular prisms. Before you watch the rest of this video, please make sure that you have read the top portion of page 262 and then come back to this video. Awesome. So volume is super simple. We're just adding on to the concept of area. So we're going to be multiplying the area by the height because it's a 3D figure, right? So the formula is v equals base times height, and base is just length times width. The formula for when we calculate the area of a rectangle or square. That being said, for example, number 1 says, write an equation to find the volume of the model, use cubic units as the label. So the formula is length times width times height, right? We're just going to be plugging in numbers here. So the length, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The width, 1, 2, 3, 4. The height, 1, 2. If you multiply all that together, we get 56 cubic units. Same thing with number 3. The length, count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The width, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is really testing my eyesight. The height, 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiplied it together, 120 cubic units. Number 5, we got length again, times width times height. So length, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Width, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the height is just 1. It's pretty short. And that equals, very good. Next, find the area of the base. Find the volume of the rectangular prism that could be built using centimeter cubes for the given height. So same thing here, except they're just going to give us the length and width. They're going to give us the base, and they're going to give us the height separately. So don't let them confuse you. It's the same formula. The length, we got 1, 2, 3. Width, 1, 2. Height, 3 centimeters. Multiply, 2 equals 18 centimeter cubed. Don't forget the units. Number 9, length times width times height. The length is 1, 2, 3, 4. The width is 1, 2, 3. And the height is given 4 centimeters. And that equals 248 centimeters cubed. Next, write an equation to find the volume, round a decimal answer to the nearest tenth. Cool. So again, same formulas here. Length times width times height. The length is 5.2, the width is 2.4, and the height is 3.5. Let's multiply that, and we will get... Oh, hang on a second. If we round it, we're going to round it. So it's 43.7 meters cubed for number 11. Number 13, same formula. All right, the length, we got 8 meters, width is 4 meters, and the height is 7 meters. If we multiply that together, we get 224 meters cubed. Last one for 15. The length is 8 inches, the width is 2 inches, and the height is also 2 inches. If we multiply that together, it's 8 times 4, 32 inches cubed. Find the volume of a prism with the given dimensions. So same thing, they're just not giving us the shape this time. They're just not going to draw us the shape this time. Same formula. So 17, let's see. The length is 12 centimeters times width times height. Just simple multiplication, right? 960 centimeters cubed. Number 19, length times width times height again. So this time it gives us the base. But remember, the base is length times width. Remember? So length times width, or we can just do base times height. That's the same thing as that formula, all right? So the base is what? 15 feet squared. And what's the height? 2. 15 times 2, ladies and gentlemen, is 30 feet cubed. And number 21, again, we got the base. Remember, the formula is volume equals base times height. And base is basically length times width, okay? So don't let that confuse you. So that's just simply 46 times 5.2, all right? And that gives us 239.2 centimeters cubed. On to word problems. On Memorial Day weekend, Carmen and her family attended a hot air balloon festival. Number 22. Carmen selected a box in which she will store her souvenirs. The box is 24 inches long, 18 inches wide, and 12 inches high. What's the volume of the box? Again, same formula, just plugging in numbers here. So how long is it? 24 inches. How wide is it? 18 inches. How tall is it? 12 inches. Just practicing our multiplication skills, right? 5,184 inches cubed is the volume of Carmen's box. Number 23. Carmen wants to cover the outside of her box with decorative contact paper. What's the least amount of contact paper that Carmen will need? To wrap this box, we need to find the surface area. So it's just reviewing our previous chapter from last week. So I already drew the box here, 24 inches long, 18 inches wide, and 12 inches high. So let's do the front and back first. Front and back, and since they're the same size rectangles and there's two of them, we're going to do 2 multiplied by length times width. So front. 2 times 24 inches times, very good, 12. So we're going to do that plus the top and bottom. So again, there's 2 of them, so multiplied by 2. Times, got length 24 inches, width 18 inches, plus the sides. Again, there are 2 sides, right? Length 18, and then, length 18, width 12. And then we're going to add all these together, guys. So this 24 times 12 times 2 is 576 inches. Squared, of course, and then top and bottom, 2 times 24 times 18 is 864 inches squared, and then the sides, 2 times 18 times 12 is 432 inches squared. Oops, I wrote that in the wrong place, didn't I? All right, and then we're going to add these 3 numbers together. And that brings us to 1,872 inches squared, because this is not looking for the volume, it's looking for the surface area. Number 25. Mr. Fields purchased a 9-inch by 12-inch piece of glass for the frame. What's the area of the glass? So remember, area, all we got to do is length times width. So we do 9 times 12. They gave us an easy one. 108 inches squared is the area. Great job, everyone. As a reminder, you can skip 24 and you can also skip the J's. And I'll see you soon.